Ever wondered how devices we use every day are powered? Today, we are diving into the world of electrical engineering. Stay tuned to find out how this field has shaped our everyday lives. Hi, welcome to Tech Care Engineering. Let's start the video with introduction of electrical engineering. So, what is electrical engineering? Electrical engineering is a field that deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. So this is what is called electrical engineering. In electrical engineering, we have core concepts in electrical engineering. At its core, electrical engineering involves understanding a circuit, signal, power, system, and electronics. So this is what is called core concepts in electrical engineering. These things are core concepts in electrical engineering. Understanding of circuit, signal, power system, and electronics. Application of electrical engineering. Electrical engineering is essential in various industries, from telecommunication, energy to automotive, and aerospace. These are application of electrical engineering. Skills needed in electrical engineering. To succeed in electrical engineering, you need a band of analytical skills, problem-solving ability, creativity, and attention to details. These are the skills you need before you can succeed in electrical engineering. One of the key aspects of electrical engineering is career opportunities in electrical engineering. The career opportunities in electrical engineering are vast and diverse, from research and development to manufacturing and maintenance. There are some of the career opportunities in electrical engineering. These are some of the career opportunities in electrical engineering: power engineer, electronics engineer, control system engineer, telecommunication engineer. You can become power engineer, control system engineer, telecommunication engineer, and renewable energy engineer. There are a lot of career opportunities in electrical engineering, but these are some of them. Summary. Now we have to talk about the summary of this video. So we have talked about what electrical engineering is and how it shaped our world. Let's summarize the key points. Electrical engineering involves the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. It covers core concepts like circuit, signal, power system, and electronics. The field has application in telecommunication, energy, automotive, and aerospace industries. To succeed, you need analytical thinking, problem-solving skills, creativity, and attention to details. And finally, there are numerous career opportunities in research, development, manufacturing, and maintenance. Conclusion: thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Care Engineering for more videos on electrical engineering and other tech topics. Stay curious, and we will see you next time on Tech Care Engineering. Tech Care Engineering, current solution, future connection.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit.